how to fix World app not working. So I'm going to show you a few different fixes, but before we start, you want to open up the browser on your phone and search for World app status. Now click on this first website that pops up and make sure that the World app is working correctly and that the issue is not on their end. Now, if the issue is not on their end and it says that all systems are operational, we can proceed. The first thing that I suggest doing is reinstalling the app. So you want to press and hold on to the app, remove the app, click on delete app, confirm, and now you want to go to your iOS store or the Android store and just reinstall the app itself directly here. Now once you have done this, see if that fixes the issue for you. If it doesn't, the second thing that I can suggest doing is changing your internet connection. So if you're using mobile data, try connecting to Wi-Fi, and if you're using Wi-Fi, try connecting to try switching over to mobile data. If that doesn't work either, the last thing that I can suggest doing is restarting your device. You want to turn off your device, then turn it back on, and that should fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.